Here's a little story for anybody that's in a cover band. If you're having trouble learning a difficult riff or anything like that, just look for different sources to where you can practice it differently. And I think that helped me anyway. My story, the hardest thing I ever learned on bass was Last Train to London by ELO. But the thing is, estábamos en un grupo de cumbia, le estábamos tocando estilo clasiqueros, and I could not get that. It was very difficult for me to get that on the bass. Now, this was way back when I was really young. I was maybe like 20, 21. So don't judge me for not knowing at the time that it's actually an ELO song. I went back and listened to the ELO song and realized it's a lot faster. So that's what I would practice with. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you a little example of it so you can kind of see the tempo. But I learned a lot easier by learning it, playing along with the faster original version. Then when it came time to play that slowed down, sexy little cumbia version, easy as pie.